Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to be happy. Happiness is a tough one. It's hard to come by, and once you have it, it's hard to keep it. Most people spend their whole lives searching for happiness and never find it, so count yourself lucky if you ever feel true happiness at all. I've been looking for happiness my whole life, and I have yet to find anything that makes me feel truly happy. Sure, sometimes I laugh or smile or forget the pain for a little while, but it's always there. No matter where I go, no matter what I do, there's always a pain lurking within me, consuming me, eating away at my core. I think finding true happiness might help stop that ever-present pain, but I don't know for sure. I guess I'll never know unless I find out what makes me happy. That's the hardest part though, figuring out what makes you happy. There are so many things in life that feel good, but how many of them bring you pure, honest happiness? That's a question you have to ask yourself. That's a question that most people don't have the guts to ponder. Ponder. Now that's a weird word. It's like if the word pond were a verb, to pond something, to turn something into a pond. That's what the word ponder should mean, but it doesn't, and that's a waste if you ask me. That's a waste of a perfectly good word. Words should sound like their definitions. Words should make sense. How am I ever going to find happiness when I spend most of my life trying to figure out what words mean and how to use them? How can you expect a man to figure out what his soul desires most when he has to spend all of his free time working in the slop fields to save up enough money to buy a dictionary to learn all the words he needs to describe the pain that he feels? Can't nobody feed their soul with that type of schedule? A man can't really live when he's consumed like that. I don't even remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, ponder.